How to add trades to Plancana Trading Journal. Quick and easy. Let's see how it works. From the journal screen where your session starts, tap Add Closed Trade. On the next screen, pick the asset you traded. Choose from recents, or if you don't have any trades yet, from the most traded symbols among our users. Once you add a trade, the symbol will appear at the top of the list. Assets are categorized into Forex, crypto, futures, indices, and stocks. If you'd like to add an exotic asset, you can do so via the custom category. Custom symbols are available only to you. You can also search for an asset by symbol or name. Once you pick an asset, you'll be taken to the trade details screen. We suggest starting with the result of your trade, or profit or loss. After confirming the result, you'll move to the volume field, enter the quantity or lot size, tap Next, and continue to open time. Select the date and time in your time zone when you entered the trade. Then do the same for the close time. Next is the open price. Enter the price at entry, then do the same for the close price. Once confirmed, we automatically determine the trade direction based on the result, open price, and close price. At this point, you can save the trade or edit any field. You can also add brokerage fees to track commissions and swaps over time. If you don't want to track fees, just leave these fields empty. You can attach up to 5 images to document your setups. Once you confirm, the trade will be saved in your journal, and you'll be taken to Trade Review. Reviewing your trades is key to getting growth insights. One last thing. You can find all your trades by tapping All Trades on the journal screen. You can also tap the plus icon in the top right to add a new trade. That's it. Add trades, review them, explore insights and analytics, and you'll start noticing a shift in your trading mindset.